Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. When a certified and experienced detective of the Jamaica Constabulary Force is about to educate you with facts and not hyperbole. I am not here promoting or supporting criminals or criminal police officer. I hate them with a passion. Today is July 5th, 2022 at about 10 p.m. my time. I don't know what time it is where you are in the world or wherever you're tuning into the channel. But I am here to share with you a new acquired audio recording, yes, of Jamaica's most loved gangster and Don, Christopher Dudus. So I am going to let you listen to what he has to say about the crime problem in Jamaica and how he's going to solve it on his return. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, now this is the time to do so. Now I want you to listen to what Dudus have to say and listen keenly. I want you to listen. This is a man who's in prison in America. You know? Listen.
Yeah, that's good then, man. You just want to keep the fire burning, man. You see what I said?
You know me done star. Done that, yo, I'm glad for you, yo.
Yeah.
Yo, me done a whole heap of man chat boy in that prison, you know, step up and read, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them on the chat boy, you ought to feed them, man, and them with their own, man, you
Yeah.
see. Yeah,
I know
man.
what you think with it, man. You see what I said? I just love and respect the dealer, you know, and I know that already, man.
For real, man.
Mm.
Yeah, I know me
Yeah,
general star, yo. So what go on with G?
yeah, out there, I want to try to fight the case, yeah, and say we can give back some time, you know, so we know the struggle, I try to fight and see what kind of appeal we can appeal and what kind of motion we can put in. So the board can cut off some time and sell back man home early, you know. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Man, the fun and they don't know the 100 already are going out the road and
For
things just
real,
come up.
star.
We can't build back still, because we do it already, you know, so we can do it again, you see?
Yeah, that I believe in that too.
Yeah, man, you see?
General, out there can build back the problem that they man. We just want to feel at 10. We just want to have a 10 man. If you have a 10 man or 15 man, then the man just want to know, say, a man they be iron at them when time problem, a man can back them. You understand, Jay?
Yeah.
And there come, you find man, I come in low, I miss a man thing, you understand?
Yeah.
But you see the
From
look,
your debo, from, yo, my dad, from one note, where they hear the whole thing calm down, you know. I know what the argument is. And you will get to everybody, you know, you will get to hear and people want to listen to you, you know.
Yeah, you hear me, Jay?
Yeah.
Yeah, me know I ain't know what chatting with some local boy people. Can you hear what? You don't even know them. Because last night when I get the number, I'm there to talk to you before you say get 12, 15. Yeah, man, I say, yo, don't talk to the G. Him obviously maybe team a fire shot. Him know. Him don't know you. You don't know him.
Nah, man, you don't know anything about man, not too rare with enough of them, man.
Yeah, but me I say, the two him comes and hear. One boy say, me have a number in the area, so me have to tell you, say, listen, man, not talk so loud again with no man here, car. You have some man run them out, you see?
Yeah, man, so I don't know this being who motor link some people. We have been a link to you, like Try and me, so we're not link no stranger.
Yeah. Because what you know,
yeah.
when Dina tell me, say the youth up the road, they want to get in, you don't need to forget to none of them up the road. You just want to build our place. You understand? Because we don't want them to feel like, say, them they in our league or in our game. You understand? Them game weak.
Yeah.
Them game weak. I don't know no strong leader not to them about make for them name and call up the game. You see? Because them don't know no history about the place, you know.
You see?
Them are young body, you know. And you know, saying the youth up the road, they have game. When name run up the road, you know, man.
Oh, that's Timo.
Danji. You know him father, in a general.
Yeah, but I'm a Shabba boy, man.
Yeah, man, a Shabba boy, man. I'm a Shabba boy there. Yeah, man, a Shabba boy, man.
I know what I just want to know who is who.
I saw me know him, you know. I saw me that know him after him father. I don't really know him in the car. Them look at them just spring up on me. Me don't know them.
Yeah.
Don't know them.
Yo,
And
my
you hear me,
dad.
G? You hear me, G? The youth, the man, them quicker for it down to say you're a soldier than them. They quicker for it down you're a soldier than me.
Yeah.
So we just have to hold out and look out there.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I don't see how we hear nothing, man, but we just hold on, because I don't know everything good for you.
You see?
Yeah.
Whatever, alright. That 5 man, I go, them even have to know the man, then. You see, I go around and I set the place. They don't have to know the man. Thomas man need to keep on a man say, yo, no shot, the place I hold up. Any man feel like them too big, violate. So if you want 3,000 catch back in the place, eh? But we know catch back for that 6 months, 8 months, we can't step across the road. Yo, we go hold back the place.
Yeah.
I don't say the leader and the cross the road, no, my G.
I know that, man, but you wait one, because I can't stay too long, because for the next 15 minutes, I'm going to put up his thing. Yeah, you wait one, man. Too much man come from the road in the old man. So what them man know, so they man deal with the things high and nice thing, they must go back the whole of them place. So you know, so you have real man to know, so they man, whoa. Because anyway you want to know, you have to spar there, you know. So you can't
Yeah.
so you're not going to spar them.
Yeah.
And representative, that there, you can't allow the boy to buy themselves. You have to
I don't know.
man to the, you know, say,
I don't know if
Hold on, you hear the man say no, man. Man say something for it. Hold on, man.
you see, so you have to have a man who knows, so you have to plant up the way knows, they might represent the king. It's a nice and them knows that our thing them a deal, so we can't just have the boy them and say, and give them talk, and one and body to know what them a think and what them a go on. We have to have our
them. Me understand you say them, G. But if you want a man knows that everything him a deal, the thing will stand up powerful. You understand me, I say, G?
Yeah, but who I got better to carry out the rest of me innocent, me who can talk. And more time man and feel say now the strength, where the strength is from.
When me a try, when me a try, adapt, me a try get to you say, as long as some man knows say, yo, them have a man if them going a problem, the man is dead for them. You understand me, I say, G?
It's not a man like that. When a man get fighting one day at jail, who with them liars.
Adapt, me tell Dean about, adapt, me just say to him.
All the business are going to set up. I just have business that run where a man can eat a food. I can't want man, don't feed. I say, boy, boss, you know, I'm hungry. I want a food. I think we fix a food to give me youth and a woman sick. I know, nothing to give me where I tell you.
Yeah.
I can't say that now, right? I can't tell Dean,
listen to the man and say, oh, sure, you're the man and the teacher that in a brother.
Well, on man, I can tell Dina, so one thing that the place said, you know, if a man can keep them look like a dance every now and then, I make them look a change. You understand?
Yeah.
And that me I say, you know, I don't know nothing different from what you say, no, my G.
Yeah, but as I said now, you don't know, you have unruly people. You have something you have to move up. It's like you have a garden, you know. And if you allow the bad weed them to grow in it, it'll sky for the garden, so you don't know some boy done gone bad already. Them can't come back.
Them can't come
back. Them must say, oh, them don't hurt certain people already, you know. Them are always in a fear. And them are always oppose the things, so some of them have to go real. A certain have to go, whether we like it or not. Some people have just lift up. You know what I'm saying? That's
boy, I'm done here, you hear me still? When you're gone foreign with the most of the man them badness still in that.
Yeah, man, God, the whole of man them sinner. Me not lie.
Yeah, man. You did a hold up every way, you know. Every way. Yeah. When you're gone foreign, a big man start dead. And Tivoli alone, you know. Man is down south side, the whole country in a ball here in a big up.
Yeah. You see? You hear me?
So done.
Yeah.
Listen, man, you say Spanish down like Fisher thing that can come in your favor. You understand?
Yeah.
That link there, as I said, you see, up Olympic way.
Yeah.
What is the name of one lady there?
Yeah, man, yeah.
That can come in your favor. Because I have a look at one man on the ground, have link with the two side, and them man have to take talk on the two of them. You understand? One man. You understand?
Yeah.
Even seeing like up Orange Villa, a one man. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, so as I tell you, say, them still have love and rate for me, G. So when fan you comes and a man comes and say, yo, you know, so homeboy say, Ray, comes and them hear your voice and say, Ray. Them know, say, boy, even man from them it's a closing.
Yeah, but we have to wait in there. Myself firm representatives on the ground of the carry out.
Yeah,
That means
yeah, and that, all right.
I wish
Yeah,
the money
yeah.
I made it take rule.
I can tell Lena say, you know, say, if for instance, we have a little thing on the ground, say, boy, this is a 5 million here. This is a waste anytime no man going to probably can take him up. But at the same time, we want people in the coming for instance, say, yo, it's the owner boss man. Well, now I'm not paying no money for a 3 months or 6 months. But for now, I give it a 20. You understand?
Yeah, that's my style. Yeah, man, so that's not my style.
No, what? Listen, man. Me know some no food, but we still want to have seen it for pull on that mean, as they say, the man them can have to and them going at the place. It still have no something to do more than nothing at all.
Yeah, man, so we don't work them way, man.
No, me see, but we still,
Charlie, this is general and that.
Yeah, man, so man, them that is some little footstool is them one, but we don't support them.
No, we don't want. We don't want.
They have a plaza, they have a store, they have a shop, they have import some goods. I must say like hustle.
Me understand what you're saying, no. But we build it back from them, man. If you know, so yo, the next 6 months, no man tune. How they will go out to the store them with the wholesale them with the police them a control man around. Hey, no man, you understand me? I said, yeah. Never say no man really there again. I can go to the MP them, you know.
Yeah, man, so I forgot to run now, so, but we have to build our own thing and have our own wholesale.
Yeah,
So we do our thing, man. You see, yeah.
But then me and my own hill for climbing now. No, I hear one of place still there. But then me just love for me here in the Vigo.
Yeah,
Me I tell you, my dad.
Next time, short up my youth and can link up with my staff here, man. So I get ready for contact in a little while. It done with a dry, man. You see?
I say, I want my dad, man. I hear that, man.
Yeah.
But they don't know.
Yo.
Yes, my people. Now that you have listened to what Christopher Dudus has to say to two criminals, Otrai and Chinaman, if you listen to the conversation keenly, now you see the reason why the poor people really love Dudus, because he's not pressuring the poor. You understand? Like the little taximan and the busmen and all those people. Because as you heard what he has said, that he's not into those things. He's more into the higher thinking, you know, degree criminal type of thinking that's his level of thinking and criminality. You understand? But he's talking about it in a legal way. But the guy, or try, I know criminal like him, he will not last that long. Because once you start pressuring the poor people as criminal, the poor is gonna turn on you eventually. You understand? Dudu said that he can solve crime and reduce crime in Jamaica when he returns. So let's see. Maybe the government is gonna outsource security to Dudus. You just might never know. Maybe he can become the next commissioner of police because you have a convicted drug dealer who's an officer of the court. So nothing that's supposed to prevent him to become a law enforcement officer because these people in Jamaica can make anything happen. You have a convicted drug dealer, international drug dealer, Isaac Thomas, Isaac Buchanan can be an officer of the court. Then anything is possible. You understand? So now you have listened to what Christopher Dudus has to say. What do you think about his plans in Jamaica and the Jamaica government? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police channel. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell to get the latest video when it is posted. Most of all comments below. Remember, to comment below. Tell me what you think. Have yourself a beautiful day. All the best to you. One love. And more to come. Peace.